Cole, before you even
Stop, Michael,
Cole,
stop,
back up,
stop,
Cole,
stop,
back
stop,
up.
stop. I'll fuck you up. I'll waste these bullets.
Okay,
I'll
stop
give.
aiming. If you stop aiming, I'll stop aiming.
Michael, you gotta stop aiming first. So maybe
No,
you stop
you
aiming. No, you
stop
stop. Michael, how
You
about Michael? How about we stop?
do.
Michael, stop. Michael, on 3, we stop aiming. All right.
Rick, where'd you get a hand grenade?
I don't know.
Hey, Brad!
Nice. Oh my god, dude.
Michael, how much do you spend on weed?
Actually, not as much as I used to. Probably like 120 to 160 a week.
Oh, fucking week?
A week.
Jesus. Ryan, this is our original home.
No, I would say 80 to 90 a week. That sounds more
Fucking
about right.
Christ, dude. I don't even spend that much money on food a week. But, you know, I'm also like a thrifty shit saver, you know, Michael. I'm a responsible adult.
Cole, literally, when everyone asks about you, they're like, "What do you say about your friend?" I'm like, "He's a thrifty fucking saver."
Yeah.
Let me go. Cole, you go last, dude.
Why am I going last, bitch?
Because if something happens, it happens to you.
What the fuck is you fucking bitch? Now
I
that
do.
Brandon's asleep, let's just talk shit about him and hope he gets nightmares.
Oh, Brandon has a good dream about me.
I.
About him sucking me.
Was that you, Michael? Michael, I don't think I like your tone and or your race. I'm sorry.
And or your race.
Look at Blazing Rocky blazing ahead to his fucking death.
Blazing Rocky, blazing that.
Michael, what's the worst race?
Chinese, probably.
Why is that?
I really like the Chinese.
Is it because they're government or just because they're people?
I just don't forget what they did.
What did
No,
they
it's
do?
the Japs. I forgot.
Oh,
I
it's
don't
the
like the
Japanese.
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't
shit.
forget what they did, dude.
Never forget.
Everyone likes to forget, dude. I don't fucking forget.
Ah, fuck. Michael's like a Mexican elephant.
Cole, I can't wait till you get here so I can tie you up and use you like a little fuck toy.
Okay, I don't like this. Do you throw grenades at me? Yeah, you fucking did. Jesus.
Bro, how the fuck do you play golf?
Why did I come over here and you just beat the ground? That was funny. That Four. Ryan, I would not walk up there.
Oh.
Get that hawk. Get that hawk behind you. Get that hawk. Get him. Get his ass. That was fucking hilarious.